Yeah, cool. Just following on from Jake's question about Instagram. So you've been posting on Instagram since January of 2019, or 227 weeks. What's
Yeah. There's always something. There's always something with
not
this
that I
guy, man.
checked. Not that I
Ah,
checked. What's the biggest thing that you have learned? May it be about resin or social media?
What thing I almost learned? Sorry.
What's the biggest thing that you have learned? May it be about resin or social media?
Ooh, that's a good one.
Well, thank you.
hey, that ended up being a smart question, Jamie. We were worried when you started like that.
Yeah.
I would say social media. You know why I say that? Is because I can touch the resin and I kind of know the resin in my hands. Social media, you don't. It's just like you post it, you go. I've learned the algorithm. I've learned what times to post. You know, which do you guys know what time you're supposed to post during the day?
No.
Yeah.
Let me tell you then. It's
Okay.
between okay. It's between the hours of 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. That is your open time to where Instagram will kick out your post between those hours because Instagram knows that's when the most people are on. It's interesting, right?
Oh.
And hashtagging, do not copy and paste your hashtags. Don't do that because they're going to think it's the same thing. Spice it up a little bit and put all 30 in there. Sometimes I don't, but that's okay. Yeah, so I would say Instagram or social media to answer your question. Definitely.
So
There we go.
putting in. So I've been putting in like 4 hashtags. So you're saying load it up?
Some people, and I've heard that. I've heard people say do 4, sometimes do 30, maybe break it up. What I've seen, I've done maybe 5 at the very least, and I might have gotten 100 or so more likes on it, but the views are way higher, which is very interesting. But I still put 30 in it. It gets the same. You know, I'll lose 100 followers every other week. I'll gain. You know, that's just how it is. It's so
Right.
I don't get that part, but
Mm.
maybe they didn't like what I did, or